Madeleine et Notre-Dame de Bonne Nouvelle, the Caterina...
I can't stand looking at them anymore. All these middle-aged girls looking for husbands. I might as well be in Miami Beach.
Jay, nouveau le businessman's lunch.
Yeah.
And be sure the corned beef is lean.
Un moment, s'il vous plaît. My feet are killing me.
Merci.
Corned beef. I might have known when you said this was your favorite French restaurant. De gustibus non disputandum est, as us fellas say in Latin.
That's what I was trying to tell you is wrong with your column. This kind of language. Whatever it is.
Everybody's entitled to an opinion. You're buying the drinks.
I was reading it this morning in the Paris Daily American. Here it is, by Steve Sherman. Our president is making another experiment in futility by attempting to convince our transigent French ally that intransigence itself is military self-hallucinatory.
To me, it makes sense.
Listen, who needs you to tell us how to run our government? Believe me, our government's in good hands. Huntley and Brinkley.
You know something? Joe Bergner of J. Bergner Incorporated, Fifth Avenue, you ain't telling me anything that I hadn't already figured out. You are absolutely right.
Of course I'm right.
I am no H.L. Mencken. Got through college because I could kick a football a mile. Graduated Magna cum laude. Who am I fooling?
Not J. Bergner Incorporated. Dresses I know, dresses I sell. You're a football player, write about football.
Oh, that. You know, that's something I'm equipped to handle. Sex. They paraded through the streets of Paris today, the unwed maidens in search of husbands. The city quivered with unfulfilled desire. And as night fell on this capital of love, almost every girl had been continued tomorrow.
It'll sell papers. Look, the girls are going to see St. Catherine now.
Only one thing. Any saint wants to get me married will have to get up very early in the morning.
I'm with you. Here's to the bachelors of the world. May our tribe increase.
How?
Automation.
Look, they're off and running.